Abiza amagama ethu ezulwini zoba secaleni kwakho xa kufika imini yokugqibela zoba secaleni kwakho nasemqalezweni dlalo yazi zoba secaleni kwakho dlalo yazi ecaleni kwakho yenana baby one yenana siyathandana yenana baby one yenana siyavana yenana baby one yenana sikunye till the end yenana yenana baby one yenana siyathandana yenana baby one yenana siyavana yenana baby one yenana sikunye till the end ungowokuqala endicinga ngaye ngolwesibini ndadibana naye ngokumathathu amazwi endinawo ngolwesine ngolwesihlanu ndingowakho ulawula ingqondo yam ulawula ingqondo yam you're Apollo phefumlo wam you're Apollo phefumlo wam wandiphandla amehlo wam wandiphandla amehlo wam joya xola inhliziyo yami yeah 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 yenana baby wam yenana siyathandana yenana baby wam wenana siyavana yenana baby wam yenana sikunye till the end yenana yenana me kude yofala yenana me yenana me kude yofala yenana me yenana me yenana me yenana me till the end yeah 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 da-da-ba-da-ba-da-dee. Yeah 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 da-da-ba-da-ba-dee. Da-da-ba-da-ba-da da-da-ba-da-ba-da-dee. Till the end. This is the Songs in the Key of Love show. Siyathandana gumnandi. Ngiyacela indaba yomjolo the pandemic sike siyifake ecaleni kuzoba mandi, and I promise you if you keep listening you might just get yourself a kiss on air. You never know what might happen. I believe everyone that comes into your life comes in with a blessing. And this song is called Zanemvula. It's about those blessings that come into your life, about those people that come into your life to do good and to love you and to bring joy into your life. Jonga mehlo ami, jonga uncumo lwami, jonga uncumo lwami, jonga mehlo ami, jonga uncumo lwami, jonga mehlo akho, khawujonga uncumo lwami, seloko wafika wena zange wafana, seloko wafika wena zange ndonwaba kangaka, izanimvula wena usisibusiso kumnakum, izanimvula wena usisibusiso, andoneli ngalo thando lwakho na khawuphinde undivisele nto mncwa, obumandi abupheli zizibili bicuzota, unguswiti nje woto wena yeva, andoneli ngalo thando lwakho na khawuphinde undivisele nto mncwa, obumandi abupheli zizibili bicuzota, unguswiti nje woto wena yeva. Amagama ondibiza ngawo, izanimvula wena usisibusiso kumnakum, izanimvula wena usisibusiso, andoneli ngalo thando lwakho na khawuphinde undivisele nto mncwa, obumandi abupheli zizibili bicuzota, unguswiti nje woto wena yeva. You're something like a unicorn. I've discovered you. Traveled all the 7 seas till I encountered you. Make me the empress of your palace. I'm enchanted by your voodoo. Show me the entrance to your castle. All I want is you. I just wanna be yours, you're mine. I just wanna be yours, you're mine. Like a distant memory, I remember you. All at once, it comes to me. Must be deja vu, like the sweetest melody. You are unforgettable. When I met you in my dreams, said you would come back for me, you promised. I just wanna be yours, yours, you're mine. I just wanna be yours, yours, you're mine. I just wanna be, I just wanna be, I just wanna be, yeah. I just wanna be, I just wanna be, I just wanna, I just wanna, I just wanna, I just wanna be yours, yours, you're mine, yours, you're mine, yours, you're mine. I just wanna be yours, 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 you're mine. So, it feels so good to be here today, singing the songs in the key of love. But I want to take you back to 9 years ago when I started making music, when I released my first album. I was 20 years old. I was naive, and all I knew was that I had a guitar and a dream, and I was determined to make it. And this is a song that I wrote, and I dedicate this song to all the 20-year-olds that are listening today, all the young, hopeful, young women that are looking forward to their future in this very moment. No te llamo valiente, causinze, sukunqama, wena tyatyambo, no tyatyambo mntasekhaya, sukunqama, ulilanga liphuma, uyibuhle bemvelo, uncumisa bonke, sukunqama, wena tyatyambo, no tyatyambo mntasekhaya, no tyatyambo, oh, oh, oh. Just take one step at a time. Just take one step at a time. Just take one step at a time. take one step at a time. I think what pains me is the fact that take one step at a time is not enough advice for a young, vulnerable woman out there. There's nothing that can be said to prevent the scourge of gender-based violence that we are facing as a nation. So what do you do? What do you do after you've done all you can with a girl child? After you have set her down and told her how to dress, how to present herself, what to do, when to keep quiet and when to talk. What do you do? I've been asking myself this question, and I think it's time that we talk to our brothers, our fathers, our uncles, but most importantly, let's talk to the young boys as well. Let us raise young men that understand that it's not okay to abuse a woman. It's not okay to make somebody else a victim. Bekumelu bandivikelwa nguwe, bekumelu bandincedwa nguwe, bekumelu bandikhuselwa nguwe. Kobubi bekumelu bandilwelwa nguwe, bekumelu bandisizelwa nguwe, bekumelu bandikhuselwa nguwe. Wabuti, watata, wabuti, aini, wabuti, watata, wabuti, kwaneleko. Ndivele ndibethwe luvalo, sike ndoyika, ndinale mibuzo kuwe. Uthi mandithini xa kunjena, uthi mandenzeni na, siyakuthini sizwe, sithini